can see a church here. And got some nice colours once again, very low lights, but we'll see how things go. I've never been to this entrance before, so I'm not even sure if I can get through this, but the gate is open. And this is St. Peter's Church. St. Peter's in the forest. Okay. Looks like it's been maintained actually. It looks like there's some work being done. Benches, sit down. Let's have a look at some of these old gravestones, see if we can find some ancient ones. That is a nice church, isn't it? See what we can find. There's a bit of traffic noise in the background, unfortunately. See, I'm not sure about this graffiti or this artwork on the church building. I'm not too sure about it, guys. What do you think? Does it look? A bit odd, isn't it? It's a bit dark. Look, there's horns on the top of the church. Let's come back. I see a lot of this symbol. See with a snake going down the 3 lines. Now, can anyone tell me in the description what that sign represents? But let's have another look at this artwork. It's a bit weird, isn't it, for a church? Let me know what you think in the description, guys. And we have another one here. We've got the S sign with 3 lines down the side. And we have a beautiful pagan cross here. Celtic cross. Stunning. Right, sorry. They have a lot of we've got some nice gargoyles there. And we have and I can't see it so much on this one, but you've got the S and 3 lines. Let's cut it here because of the background traffic noise is a bit loud, I'm afraid to say, but let's cut it here and we'll continue later.